Hi guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope everybody is doing great. Can you all hear me and see me well? Hello Ankit, hello Vishwa, Kiritu, Soham, Lohit Raj, Vinay. Very nice and heartwarming to see everybody out here. I hope you guys are all excited as I am for this particular session. Hello Manjunath, great to see you in a live class. Hello Asta, welcome. Hello Ritesh, Subhash, Vasan. I'm so happy and excited to see you guys because today we are going to revise definite integration. And guys, it is one of the high weightage topics and we are going to master it together because in this session, I'm going to focus on only those important areas. I'm going to focus on those important areas which were focused in your February attempt. So I'm going to help you master your March attempt if you pay full attention to me. So shall we get started? Hello Preksha, welcome Preksha, so nice to see you. Subhash, Abhimanyu, welcome. Thank you Soham, that is so sweet of you. So let us begin guys, let us not waste much time. I will quickly get on with the introduction. For those who do not know me, for those who are seeing me for the very first time, guys, my name is Shimon Joseph and I teach mathematics at Vedantu. So I teach for the JEE Mains level as well as the JEE Advanced level. So like you guys, I also prepared for many exams. I prepared for KVPY, I prepared for JEE Mains, I prepared for JEE Advanced and I cleared it. And I did my BTech in IIT Madras. So I basically grew up in Chennai. I studied in IIT Madras. Now I work in Bangalore with Vedantu to help you guys achieve your dream. Okay? So in case anybody wants to talk to me, sir, I want you to help me with my personal doubts, my personal queries. I need some suggestion. Then definitely reach out to me on Instagram. So this is my Instagram ID. Whenever you message me, I will help you. I will suggest what is good for you. So shall we move forward? Yes, people, how many of you are really excited for all the things we have planned for you? Yes, Shyam Ganesh, of course, man, I do speak very good Tamil. Hi, Shiva Kota, welcome, man. Rebecca, welcome. Fantastic people. So everybody has made a note of this schedule. I hope this is for the entire week till 15th of March, till the day before your JEE Mains. We have planned each and everything for you. Hi Neha, welcome Neha, wonderful to see you. Rushika is here, Shibi is here, fantastic. Asta, so nice to see you Asta, welcome back, great to have you here. Harsha Vardhani, Harshit, Vijay Lakshmi, fantastic. So guys, take a screenshot of this. Today we are here, okay, it is missing I think. Okay, we are here, definite integration with Shimon Sir. So tomorrow we'll have mock test, day after tomorrow we have functions and so on. So the entire schedule is given over here. Please make a note of it. Okay, let's get on with the session. So people, if you are here for the very first time, if you are seeing me, if you are seeing this channel for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe because you are in for a joyful ride with us. The journey with us is going to be fun filled and it is full of energy and excitement. So don't forget to subscribe. If you really love us, share it to your friends. And if you like it, let us know, man. Only then we'll be excited, right? Okay. So when is the result? The result will be announced tonight. So people say that by 10 PM tonight, the JEE Mains result will be announced. So guys, don't panic. Don't get too worried. Don't get too excited. It's okay. So it is the first attempt. If you got a good percentile, great. If you got a slightly bad percentile, don't feel bad because you have 3 more attempts to go. So focus on what is in front of you rather than what is gone. Okay, does that make sense people? So the result is at 10 o'clock. Don't keep waiting for it. Don't waste your time because we are all smart. We are all very sincere and hardworking people. We want to focus on what is to come in the future. Are you all clear? So let's aim for that. Let's get into it. Are you all ready? Everybody give me a yes or a yo in the chat. Let's light up the chat with a fire. Fantastic. Ali, no problem, man. We are just getting started, Ali. I am right now moving on to the very first slide. Great, Shankar. Thank you, Vasan. That is so sweet of you, man. No problem, Jayavira Kumar. Let that convert into your anger. Let that frustration convert into hard work for your second attempt. That is what I want you to do. Fantastic, people. So let's move into it. The first and the foremost thing which I want you to teach, which I want you guys to know, is properties of definite integral. Okay. So Rishikesh, the lecture will be for 1.5 hours. I will take up to 3:30. So I hope you guys will stay up till 3:30. Okay. So please listen carefully. When I'm teaching, I want everybody to stay silent, listen to me, and then we will move forward. Hello, Manjunath Reddy. Very nice to see you. I will even prove some of these results to you so that you guys can follow it in a very clear and crisp manner. Yes, Manjunath. So the first property, first of all, what is definite integrals? Definite integrals is nothing but integration with limits. So here A and B are your limits, right? So whenever you have limits of an integral, you call it definite integration. As simple as that. So whenever you have a integral with constant limits, let's say here A and B are constant, then your definite integration is basically a value. Your definite integration is basically a value. So that is why you would have noticed this now. If you have, let's say 4 to 5, some f of x of dx, this is going to be some value. So that is why if I differentiate this, I will get under. This is 0 because if I differentiate this, this is a constant. So derivative of a constant is 0. I hope you guys are all clear with it. Whenever you have definite integration with constant limits, that will give you a value, and when you differentiate it, it is always 0. Got it? Now, coming to properties of definite integral, because that is what your JEE Mains paper setters are focusing a lot on. They keep asking questions based on properties. You open your paper, every question which came on definite integration is from properties only. So let's try to master properties, and don't worry, I will derive it, I will explain it, I will make sure you guys don't forget it. Okay, so let's move forward. Let's do it one by one. The first one is called as change of variable. So when you change your variable, basically nothing happens. So instead of x, I just put t. What is wrong in that? X is also a variable, t is also a variable. So there's nothing wrong in doing that. So nothing changes when I just replace x with t. So that is the first property which is there even in your NCERT. So that is what we call as your change of variable. Are you all clear? Tech alcoholic. So you had very good weightage of definite integration questions, and that is why I have chosen that particular chapter. I will do only things what are good for you based on February attempt. Whether it will come in March attempt, I don't know. I am not the one who's setting the paper, but I am trying my best to help you be ready for March. That is all I can say. Okay, we are doing with a very sincere and genuine heart. I want you also to work with a very sincere and hardworking nature. Got it? So let us try to solve it. So guys, what I'll do is I will put x as t. So if I put x as t, my dx is equal to dt. Isn't that right, guys? So basically x is equal to t, so the limits will be the same. So if x is a, t is also a. If x is b, t is also b. Instead of x, I put t, dx is dt. So that is how your change of rule, change of variable comes in. I hope everybody is clear with it. All of you? Exactly, Shyam Ganesh. Absolutely. Now let us move forward. Let's go to the next one. The next one is called as change of limits. So when I interchange my limits, my dear children, if I reverse my limits, I need to put a minus sign. Are you all clear with it? If I reverse my limits, I need to put a minus sign. Everybody knows that. So that is my property number 2. Now property number 3 is what I really focus on. Because guys, this is very important whenever you have piecewise defined function. Whenever you have piecewise defined function. Are you all clear? So whenever you have a piecewise defined function, for example, integral of GIF of x, everybody gets scared. Sir, how will I do this question, sir? Such a difficult question. Guys, this is a laddu. This is a laddu question. Okay? So whenever you have a piecewise defined function, this property is super useful. Why? Because I know GIF of x between 1 to 2, GIF of x is what? Between 1 to 2, GIF of x is 1. So I will write 1 dx plus between 2 to 3, it is going to be what? It is going to be 2. So this integral, which looked very difficult, which I thought was difficult, reduces to such a simple integral. Are you guys able to understand? Are you all able to understand? That is why this property is so important. What does this property say? This property says that if you have integral a to b, you can break it from a to c and then c to b. Now, one common mistake which people do is they think c should lie between a and b. Is that correct? Is it necessary for c to lie in between a and b? No. C can be outside A and B also. That is something which usually people make mistake in. Are you all clear? I will explain once again. Listen very, very carefully. Listen very, very carefully. So what does the third property say? So if you want me to explain with a simple diagram, let me tell you very easily so that you don't forget. Let's do it step by step, okay? Because I don't want you guys to forget, na? So let us say this is A, this is B. So definite integration, integral a to b f of x dx will give you the area under this particular graph. This is your f of x. This is your f of x function. So f of x dx, integral from a to b, will give you this area. Everybody knows that. Everybody knows that. Are you guys clear? Now I can first find out the area between, let's say A is here, B is here. So I can say this is equivalent to finding area between A to C and then finding area between C to B and adding both of them. That will give you the same area. So that is what this property says. Everybody clear with it? Now you will never forget it. So instead of integrating A to B directly, I can break it at C and integrate A to C, then C to B. So that is also right. Everybody clear with it? Yes. Manjunath, I'll come to that. First, I hope you guys have understood this. So if C lies in between A and B, it is very, very obvious. Yes, everybody. Guys, one by one. If I come to this, you are going to that. If I come to that, you will go to something else. So please wait. I'll answer one by one. I want everybody to be convinced with what I said now. Everybody perfect? When is this very useful? This property is very useful whenever we have piecewise defined function. What do you mean by piecewise defined function? For example, A to C, that is one definition, and C to B, that is another definition. So in that case, it breaks at C. Can you see that? So in that case, it is very important. So whenever you have a piecewise defined function which is breaking at C, then this property is super useful. Very, very useful. Especially when you have a modulus function, especially when you have greatest integer function, especially when you have fractional part of x. Like that, you have many piecewise defined function where this property is useful. Now, coming to everybody's doubt. How can C be outside, sir? What are you saying? It is so wrong. Okay, let me tell you. So let us say A is here. Let us say B is here. Okay. So now, let us say, my dear boys and girls, C is outside. Now, I want area between A to B. So, integral A to B f of x dx is nothing but my A over here. So, let's call it A. Let's call this A1. Okay. Now, integral A to C f of x dx, my dear children, do you agree it is A plus A1? Do you all agree? Please let me know. Everybody. Do you all agree with me on that? Everybody? Yes? Perfect. Now comes the twist. Now comes the twist. where everybody will open your mouth. Don't keep it open for a long time. So let's go to the next one. C to B, f of x dx is how much? Let me see how many of you are answering it correctly. How much is this? C to B, f of x dx is how much? It is equal to? It is equal to what? It is equal to A1? No, it is not equal to A1. What is it? Very good, Hariharan. Hariharan is right. It is minus A1. Why? Because you're coming from C to B, you're traveling towards the left side. When you're traveling towards the left side, if you have area above the x-axis, it will be negative. It will be negative. So when I add both of them, what do I get? Do I get the same area? Did you like it? So C can lie anywhere. Usually people don't know that. People think it is only in between. Okay? Are you all clear? This is not area, this is definite integration. I just gave you a simple way of understanding it. Are you clear, Techolic? Very good. Fantastic, guys. I hope you got it. We have spent a lot of time on this. Now let's move forward. Now it's time for you to solve questions. Let's get on with it. The very first question which came in 2021 February attempt. So with what I taught you, you should be able to solve this. Guys, no guessing the answers, no immediately shouting out the answer. Solve it, solve it. Everybody solve it. Come on. I want all of you to put your pen to paper, do it, and then tell me. Because when you solve, even if you make mistake, it doesn't matter to me. Because when you make mistake, you learn. And you are here to learn. Okay, so do that. Are you sure, Kirito? Think about it, think about it. When do you open the limits? You open the limits where your function changes behavior. If your function is not changing behavior, don't do anything. Don't do anything. So, Kirito, you are right. But it breaks when the inside quantity becomes 0. Not at 0. Got it? That's a mistake you did. You should break the limit wherever your inside function becomes 0. Because modulus changes behavior at 0. Understood? So that is how you do it. Please try it out again, guys. Everybody. Very good, Shreya. Very good, DS. Come on, guys. I want all of you to try and solve it. I hope you guys can crack it. Empire Moon, please try it out. The answer is not 0, of course. And guys, those who are worried about the results will be declared by tonight in the JEE Main official website. So don't worry about it right now. Right now, focus on the class. I want you to give me your 100% because there's nothing you can do about your February attempt. But you can change your March attempt. Okay? Hello, Ruby. Hello, Somanath. Welcome, man. So Vishwa says minus 24. I know for sure your answer is wrong. Why? When you have modulus, Vishwa, it is always positive. So when you are integrating something positive, your answer will be positive. Understood? So like that, you need to be very strong in your basics, Vishwa. Got it? See, when you are integrating modulus, you are integrating a positive quantity. So when you are integrating a positive quantity, your answer cannot be negative. Such things you have to be very good at. That is what I mean by being strong in your foundation. Got it? Very good, Samala. Sai Vivek, very good. Pranav, welcome, man. Good, Vishwa, good. Please try it again. Funny has solved it. Funny, I will check it, Funny. Wait for some time. Selva Kumar, we will check it. Hi, Samala. I am doing great. Welcome. Great to see you here. Vasanti, welcome, Vasanti. So, shall I move forward, people? Everybody? So, let us try to solve it, guys. Please listen carefully and then we will move forward. Are you all ready? So first of all, I will look at this. So can I write as 3 times of modulus of x square minus x minus 2? So that is integrated from minus 2 to 2. So first of all, guys, let's plot this x square minus x minus 2. Okay, so what is x square minus x minus 2? Can I factorize it as x minus 2 into x plus 1? Are you all cool with that? So if I draw this quadratic graph, it will look somewhat like this. It looks somewhat like this. Are you all comfortable with that? Yes, my dear children, everybody. So this is how the graph will look like. So now when I take modulus of it, what happens when I put modulus? When I put modulus, this negative portion will become ulta because modulus makes everything positive. So this negative boy will come out to be positive. So this is my final graph. The black color graph is my final graph. Did you all understand it? So now how will I break my limits? That is what you have to understand. That is what you have to understand. How will I break my limits now? Minus 2 to 2 is that, no? So this is minus 2. So I'll break from minus 2 to 1. From minus 2 to 1, it is the original function, which is 3 times of x square minus x minus 2. Then 3 times of integral. From minus 1 to 2, it's basically the same thing. From minus 1 to 2, it is the ulta. Ulta means negative of f of x. What is negative of f of x? It will be minus of x square minus x minus 2 dx. That's it. Integrate it and get the answer. Did you like it? Did you guys understand it? Why minus? Why minus? Because this is the original function. It becomes minus of it because to make it positive. Modulus makes it positive by putting a minus sign. That I have to include. Which interval? From minus 1 to 2. And that is what we want, right? Minus 1 to 2, we reach the uppermost point. So I stop there. So I stop there. Because tecolic, this is your f of x. And when I put modulus, this is negative, na? So it becomes positive by making it as minus f of x. Understood? Did you all like it? Ayman? Yes, yes, yes. I hope you guys have got the concept. I will show you the answer. Should we draw the graph and only do? Of course, man. You have to draw the graph. You have to draw the graph. Shintu Jaiswal, can you please let me know what is the doubt? I know a little bit Shreyas, but I speak Tamil. Yes, Sai Yugender, I will show you the answer. So guys, I will show you the answer. I hope you liked it. It was a fantastic question. I hope you guys are all clear. Please practice questions like this. This is how you improve. Okay, so what is the answer? The answer seems to be 19. The answer seems to be 19, guys. Okay, exactly what I did. You see, from minus 2 to minus 1, it is this function. Then minus 1 to 2, it is negative of this function. So that is how you solve it. Are you able to follow now? Shall I move forward? Why minus 2 to 1? Because Jayavira Kumar, between minus 2 to minus 1, it is of one behavior. So guys, this is a quadratic graph. Now come on, you should be knowing this. A quadratic graph is very easy to draw. So Jayavira Kumar, this has the roots as minus 1 and plus 2. Which one? I am taking f of x as what? I am taking f of x as x square minus x minus 2, Jayavira Kumar. So this is a quadratic equation. I am sure everybody knows how to plot a quadratic graph. So if your a square is positive, it is an upward opening parabola, and the factorization tells me that the roots are 2 and minus 1. So 2 and minus 1 are the roots, and it's an upward opening parabola, so it will look like this. Are you clear with it now? So now this is only the inside quantity. I didn't put modulus. So if I put modulus, I need to make sure it is always positive. So how do I make it positive? If you look at it carefully, this region it is positive, but between minus 1 to 2, it is below the x-axis. So to make it positive, I need to negate this portion. I need to negate this portion. So this is f of x. If I negate f of x, it will be ulta, and this is minus f of x. So between minus 1 to 2, modulus of f of x is minus f of x because f of x is negative. Did you like it? That is the way we do it. I hope this explanation has made it very clear. Please pull the video back and watch it again, guys, because I have told a lot of new things now. I will not be able to repeat it because we have a lot of good things to cover. Shall we move forward? Are you all ready? No problem, Shimon Sir's Ninja Girl. I'm so happy you could make it. If you have internet issues, you can definitely watch it later again. Okay, no problem. Very good, Shintu. Very good, Harsh. You guys are fantastic. And people, I have attached the solutions. You can even go through it later on. Okay, now a slightly more difficult question. Let's take it to next level. This is even more tricky. than the first one, but try it. We all will have fun. Don't worry, I'm here to help you. I will make sure by the end of today's class, you will all be able to understand, you will all be able to solve questions of this level. So this was a slightly difficult question than the previous one, okay? But no worries, I'm gonna help you, but you try it first. You all give it your best attempt, then I will solve it, okay? Very good, Shri Yugender, that is fantastic, man. This question is from which shift? I'm not too sure about it, man. I didn't prepare it shift-wise. I've prepared it February attempt-wise, okay? So people are saying it is 24th February first shift. Kishan is saying that. Okay, great Kishan, thank you for that. Why are they asking such difficult question? Jayavira Kumar, there are 30 questions, man. This was one difficult question, that's it. So in 30 questions, almost 10 to 15 were easy. So you should aim for those and then go for the moderate questions. And to be honest, 24th first shift was very easy. Okay, to be honest, 24th first shift was actually an easy shift. Okay, so one difficult question doesn't matter. That is why I say you should identify the easy questions, grab those marks first, then go to the other questions. That is my strategy of exam. So when I was a student, right? So I wrote JEE Mains and I was one of the state toppers. So I almost got 105 in chemistry, 99 in physics, and lowest in mathematics, 96. But that's because I timed my paper properly. So I knew which questions to target, what to pick, what not to pick, like that. So that skill you develop with time. That is why you need to solve a lot of questions. Okay. Perfect. Hello, Short Gaming. My All India rank was around 400, man, in JEE Mains. So I got state rank 5 and All India rank 400 something. And category rank, I don't know. I think it was less than 400. Yeah. I was in general category only. I don't think I had any category rank. Okay, so let's try to solve it, people. Please listen carefully. Okay, so people, everybody please listen carefully. I want everybody to follow me and let me know if you are getting it. Okay, so first of all, whenever you have modulus question, what I will do is, let's draw a number line and let's see where it changes behavior. This modulus will change behavior at 0. Do you all agree, my dear children? This modulus will change behavior at 0. This modulus will change behavior at 2. And A is over here, minus A is over here. Do you all agree? Just plot this so that you get an idea. Nothing great. Thank you, Short Gaming. Yes, Priyanshu, I'll tell it later, man. For now, please listen carefully. Everybody clear till here? Fantastic. Shamala, Sai Vivek. Yes, that's absolutely right. Sai Vivek, you're right, man. Perfect. So guys, I hope now everybody is fine. Now what I'll do is, minus A to A, I will write it as minus A to 0. At that point, this will be minus x. Plus, this will also be 2 minus x. Because this will be negative. This will also be negative. Do you agree, my dear children? Everybody? Now, after this, what will I have? Then 0 to 2 I'll have. 0 to 2, this will be positive. This will be negative. Is that clear? Then what will you have? You will have 2 to A. Then both will be positive. So I'll have x plus x minus 2 dx. Did you all like it? As simple as that. See, that is why this number line, even though it makes no sense, it helps me. At least it gives me a systematic solving, right? It helps me to solve in a systematic way. That is the beauty. That's it, open it and you're done. Equate to 22, get the value of A. Now after you get the value of A, put it here, solve it, done. I'll teach you, I will solve this fully, okay? Please listen carefully. Let's try to do it. So I have, this will be 2 minus 2x. So it will be 2x minus x square from minus A to 0. Guys, please check my solving. I am bound to make calculation mistake. So help me if I am going wrong, okay? Plus this will be what? 2x minus 2. So it will be x square minus 2 will become 2x. And that will be from 2 to 8. Now that is equal to 22. Is that correct, my dear children? Everybody, are you all clear with it? Exactly. Now let's do this. Let's put 0 here, you'll get 0. Then I put minus a, you'll get minus of 2 into minus a of a square. Okay. Plus 4. Plus what will you have? Here you'll have a square minus 2a minus 4 plus 4. Is that correct? So that will be equal to 22. So plus 4 minus 4 cancels. So I will have 2a square and is equal to 18. So a square equal to 9. So my dear children, a is equal to plus or minus 3. But minus 3 is not counted because a is greater than 2. So a is equal to 3. Till here everybody got it? Give me a thumbs up. Till here, if you guys have got it, give me a thumbs up. It is 4x. Thank you guys. That is why I said I need your help. So 4x means how much will that be? 4 into 2, 8, right? Is that correct? 8? Is that correct, people? Everybody? Okay, let me solve it then again. Let's do it slowly again. I knew this was going to happen. Okay, so let's try to solve it again, people. So minus a to 0. So minus x. So it will be 2 minus 2x integral. So 2 minus 2x integral will be what? 2x minus x square from minus a to 0. Then what will you have? You will have 0 to 2, 2, right? So that's going to be 2x. So it will be 4. Oh, that was correct only, man. That was correct only. Who is that? Oh my God, that was correct. Okay guys, I solved it correct only. You guys made me doubt my own solving. Okay, so that was right. It is 4 only. So the answer is a is equal to 3. That's why I was wondering, how come I landed up at the right answer? Because 3 is correct, man. I solved it right only. Sujit, no Sujit. Integral of 2 is what? Integral of 2 is 2x. So 2x if I integrate from 0 to 2, it will be 4 only, na? Are you always right? Everybody is saying, sir, you're correct only. Okay, fine. So a is equal to 3 is what you get. Now, after you get what is a, you need to move forward. So can I write this as integral 3 to minus 3 x plus gif of x? So this is what you're supposed to do. Are you guys clear with it? Are you all fine with this? Yes? Fantastic, people. Now, how do you know 2 and 0 are between minus a to a? Because a is greater than 2, na? So if a is greater than 2, 2 will be lesser than a. And 0 will be obviously greater than minus a. That is obvious, na? Are you getting it? I hope you understood it. Now, what is 3 to minus 3 x? This is an odd function. So can I say it will be 0? So can I say this integral is equal to 3 to minus 3? I'll have just box of x dx. Are you guys fine with it? So can I now write this as integral with a minus sign, minus 3 to 3 box of x dx? Why minus? Because I interchange my limits. Now, what is box of x? Box of x function will look like this. So it will look like this. At minus 3 to minus 2 will be minus 3. Here will be minus 2. Here will be minus 1. Here will be 0. Here will be 1. Here it is 2. So this and this will get cancelled because this is plus 1. This is minus 1. Now this is minus 2. This will be plus 2. So this will be minus 3. So the integral of box x from minus 3 to plus 3 is nothing but minus 3. So the answer is minus of minus 3, which will be equal to 3. So 3 is the answer. I hope you guys liked it. Are you all clear? Everybody? Yes? Are you all clear with this? Everybody? So shall I move forward? Very good, Miss Khan. I'm so happy you understood it. Yes, Sai Vivek, I will explain it. Please listen to me carefully. Okay? Explain the last step of the graph. Soham is saying, sir, please explain it to me in a short way. Yes, yes, yes. I will explain everything in a short way. Please listen carefully. So guys, first of all, I hope everybody understood how A is equal to 3. Can you all let me know in the chat with a thumbs up or a yo quickly? I want everybody to let me know if everybody has understood how your A comes out to be 3. Yes, people, that is the first step of this question. If you did not get it, pull the video back and watch it again. I want everybody to watch it again in case you did not follow, because that is basic. I taught you a very nice trick to find out how A is equal to 3 by drawing the number line. Fantastic, guys. You are all awesome. Great job. Great job. So now let us move forward. Now what do we have here? We have A to minus A x plus A to minus A GIF of x dx. Now I told this is under. Why is this 0? This is 0 because x is an odd function you have from minus A to plus A. Is that correct? Very good, Sujit. Malavika, I am doing great. Welcome, Malavika. No problem. You're always welcome here. So everybody clear with this, my dear children? All of you? So can I say this is 0? So I can forget about this because it's an odd function. I hope this is clear to everybody. Fantastic, Sai Vivek. Now that makes it very easy. So now I'm going to apply the property of changing the limits. So if I change my limits, what will happen? If I reverse my limits, I'll get a minus sign outside. I will write it as minus 3 to 3 box of x dx. Everybody clear with it? Because if I take a minus out, I can reverse my limits. Now I need to evaluate minus 3 to 3 box of x. So it is nothing but the area under the graph GIF of x from minus 3 to plus 3. So let's have a look at it. Algebraic area. So let's draw the graph of GIF. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So how does the graph of GIF look like? So it will be minus 3 here. It will be minus 2 here. It will be minus 1 here. It will be 0 here. It will be 1 here. And it will be 2 over here. So that is how your GIF of x looks like. Now we have to find the area with respect to your x-axis algebraically. Okay, algebraically. So now this is 0 into 1, 0. This will be 1 into 1 because height is 1, breadth is 1. So it is plus 1 area. This is height is 2, breadth is 1. So the area is plus 2. This is height is minus 1, breadth is 1. So the area is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So if I add all of it up, what will be the area? The entire area will come out to be minus 3 algebraically, because definite integral gives you the algebraic sum of areas. Please don't forget that. It is not area, rather it is the algebraic sum of all the areas. Therefore it will be minus 3. And I have a minus outside. So minus of minus 3 will be plus 3. And that's going to be the answer for this question. I hope you guys liked it. This is a geometric way of solving it. I hope you enjoyed it. You can always split it and solve it, which is a lengthier way. You guys can do that. I have no objection. So other way of doing it is minus 3 to 3 GIF of x can be written as minus, you keep it outside. You write it as minus 3 to minus 2. That time it will be minus 3 dx. Then you will have minus 2 to minus 1. That time it will be minus 2 dx. Then you will have integral minus 1 to 0. That time it will be minus 1. Then you will have 0 to 1. It will be 0. Then you will have 1 to 2. It will be 1 dx. Then you will have 2 to 3. It will be 2 dx. Now add all of it up, you will get the same answer. When you add all of it up, you'll get the same answer. This is basically finding out each area by breaking it into intervals and finding it out. Are you all clear with it? Shall I move forward? Everybody? Fantastic. So let us go forward to the next question, which is gonna be on your screen in some time. Okay? Shall we move forward? This is the solution, guys. I've attached it. You can go through it whenever you feel like. So this is the next question. Somebody was asking, sir, can you please explain me reduction formula? So this is based on reduction formula. Everybody, please look at it and try it out for 1 minute, and then I will help you out. Okay? Yes, Achyut. Achyut, this is a time where we get better in problem solving. So don't worry if you spend a lot of time. That's totally fine. Got it? It doesn't matter if we spend a lot of time. I want you students to learn and get better. For that, if we invest time, it's okay. I will take the class up to 3:30 so that we can cover whatever we have planned for today. Okay? Very good, Ananya. Ananya has already answered it. Fantastic, Ananya. Very good, Techaholic. I'm so happy you liked the graph method. Okay. So people, are you all ready? Yes, Malavika, of course. In exam, I would have solved it in under 2 to 3 minutes. I was explaining it to you guys, so I was a bit slow. Okay? Rajashekar, very good, Rajashekar. Sai Vivek is also right. We will check it, my dear students. And Jayavira Kumar, I agree, man. But don't worry about what has gone. See, there is no use crying over spilt milk. So if it is already done, don't worry about it. That is my suggestion to you. Okay, your exam got over. Now you have one chance on your March attempt, one chance in your April attempt, and final chance in your May attempt. So till then, keep working by looking what is in the front. Don't let your past ruin your present. Okay? So that is what I would suggest you. Hello Vatsalya, welcome. Tell formula also. Sairam, here there's no formula, man. There is a method to solve it. I will teach you the method. That I will do. Many of your friends have already answered. I think it is option A which is the right answer. So shall we get started? Yes. Everybody. So let us try to solve it. Please listen carefully, guys. Hello Shashiram. Welcome, welcome. Hello Abhishek. So people, everybody, listen carefully. So I have cot to the power n. Now guys, you see here 2, 4 is there, 3, 5 is there, 4, 6 is there. They all differ by 2. So if in is there, I need to find out in plus 2. So can I say in plus 2 is what? In plus 2 is going to be integral pi by 4 to pi by 2. It will be cot to the power n plus 2x dx. Are you all clear with that? Now let me add both of them. So if I add both of them, my dear children, what will I get? I will get integral pi by 4 to pi by 2. I will get cot to the power nx common. I'll have 1 plus cot square x, which is nothing but cosecant square x dx. Is that right? Now I can take cot x as t. So if I take cot x as t, I will get minus cosecant square x dx as my dt. That is a beauty, isn't it? So cot of pi by 4 is t, which is 1. Cot of pi by 2 is what? It is 0. And then you will have t to the power n. Cosecant square x dx is minus dt. So in plus 2 is equal to what? Minus t to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 from 1 to 0, which will be equal to 1. So this is going to be 1 by n plus 1. Are you all clear with it? Are you guys clear with it? So in plus 2 is a constant. Are you all able to follow this? Everybody? So let me complete it. So I got what? I got in plus 2 is equal to 1 by n plus 1. So what is I2 plus I4? I2 plus I4 is 1 by 3 because n is 2, and I3 plus I5 is equal to 1 by 4, and I4 plus I6 is equal to 1 by 5. So now these three are in harmonic progression because their reciprocals are in arithmetic progression. Because if I reciprocate this, it will be 3, 4, 5, and they are in AP. So the reciprocal of all of them will be in AP. Therefore, option A is the right answer. Did you like it? Everybody? Are you all clear with it? You guys are fantastic, man. You guys are absolutely awesome. I'm so happy that you guys have understood it. Now let us move forward. Okay. Fantastic. Abhishek, yes, I will tell you at the end, Abhishek. You can check it in the description of this video. If you are a 12th standard student, you can join the crash course, which is 7,000 rupees. It will be in the description of this video. Or if you are a 11th standard student, you can check out the pro subscription. Now we will move forward. Okay? Great. So let us proceed, guys. So this is the next set of properties which I want everybody to look at. Okay? Guys, this is a very important set of property. I will make sure you guys are clear with it because this is called as your famous King's rule. So this is your famous King's rule, and pakka you will get one question from this. You will get pakka one question from this King's rule. Okay? So let's try to master it. We will try to learn it together. Okay? Madhushri, it won't be a problem. Don't worry. Everybody, please listen to me carefully. We will try to learn it. What does your King's rule say? King's rule says that if you have integral a to b f of x dx, it is the same as integral a to b f of, instead of x, I will write a plus b minus x. Instead of x, I will write a plus b, that is upper limit plus lower limit minus x dx. It will be the same thing. That is what they are trying to tell you. And how do we do that? You can do it very, very easily, guys. I'm sure you all are able to do it by substitution. But what I want you to remember is how this is applied. I'm going to show you a lot of questions by which you will be able to understand the application. So please listen carefully. I've given you a very small application here. So let us say you have an integral I is equal to f of x by f of x plus f of a plus b minus x dx. Now I want you to find how is it equal to this value. So guys, I'll apply King's rule. King's rule says that I will have the same limits, but instead of x, I will write f of a plus b minus x. So in the denominator also, for x I will write a plus b minus x. And similarly here I'll have a plus b, instead of x I will write a plus b minus x. So a plus b minus a plus b minus x. So what will that be? A plus b minus of a plus b minus x. So that will be just x. So isn't it beautiful? Because guys, if I add these two now, if I add these two integrals, what will I get? If I add these two integrals, what will I get? I plus I is 2i is equal to, limits are same, so I can add the integrals. I'll have limit a to b, the denominator is the same. The denominator is the same, numerator can be added up. So what is the numerator? F of x plus f of a plus b minus x. And what is the denominator? The denominator is also the same thing. So they will cancel out and I will get a 1. I will get a 1. So it's basically 2i is equal to integral a to b 1 dx. So I will get 2i is equal to b minus a. So what is I? I is equal to b minus a by 2. So this is a simple formula. So whenever you have a function like this, directly you can write the answer as b minus a by 2. That's it. That is the way you all have to solve it. Are you all clear? Yes? Everybody clear? Fantastic. So shall we move forward? Very good, Desperado. Very good, Ananya, Kirito, Yashoda, Esub. Muskan, fantastic guys. You are all awesome. Now I'm going to move forward and show you guys how many questions were asked from this particular topic. Please try to solve it, my dear children. These are all laddu questions which came from this particular portion. Please try to do it. Exactly, Shibi. Shibi, try to solve this question. I want all of you to do it. I want everybody to try it out. Come on, guys. Very good, Sai Vivek. I'm so happy you guys are enjoying it. Shyam Ganesh is saying 26th first shift. Okay, great. Hello, Neha Fatima. Fantastic, Neha. Great to see you here. Welcome. Achyut has already answered. We will check whether he is right or wrong. Shravani, welcome Shravani. Very nice to see you here. Great to have you guys. Fantastic. Now everybody solve it, guys. Come on. I want all of you to try it out. Hello Shwati. Welcome Shwati. So nice to see you. Okay. Hello Aditya. Welcome. So many of you are saying option A. Sai Vivek says C. Some of you are saying C. So let me solve it. Please listen carefully, guys. Okay. Very, very carefully. So first of all, this is I, let's say, and I'm going to apply King's rule. So if I apply King's rule, what is A plus B minus X? A plus B minus X is nothing but minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus X. So it's basically minus X. Are you all clear? So I will replace X with minus X. Everything else will remain the same. Are you all cool with that? So it will be cos square minus X divided by 1 plus 3 to the power minus X dx. Is that clear, my dear children? Everybody? Now cos square minus X is as good as cos square plus X. It doesn't matter. But 1 plus 3 power minus X, I can write it as 1 plus 1 by 3 power X. And if I take LCM, it will become 1 plus 3 power X by 3 power X, which I will take it to the numerator. Now let's add both of them. So I plus I, my dear children, will be 2I, and since the limits are the same, the limits are from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, I can add these two integrands. So if I add these two, the denominator is the same, so I can add the numerators. In the numerators, I can take cos square X common. I'll be left out with 1 plus 3 power X, and my denominator is 1 plus 3 power X. So I can cancel it out. Now you see it reduces to such an easy one. Are you guys clear with it? Everybody, did you all see how easy it becomes because of King's rule? King's rule is so powerful, guys. It is so powerful. I hope you liked it. Rishabh, so first I applied King's rule. So instead of X, I put minus X because A plus B minus X is minus X. And when I do that, I will get this particular I integral and I will add both of them. So I plus I, Rishabh, is 2I, and I will add these two quantities. Because the denominator is the same, I add the numerator and I see that 1 plus 3 power X will get cancelled out. If you still did not get it, please pull the video back and watch it again, because I want nobody to miss out on these concepts which are fantastic. Okay, now it is still not over. So I got 2I is equal to integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos square X dx, my dear children. Okay, so now cos square X is an even function. Cos square X is an even function. Are you all aware of it? So if it is an even function, then minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, I can write it as 0 to pi by 2 twice. Now 2i, this 2 will get cancelled. So I'll have I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square X dx. Now I will multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So 2 cos square X, I can write it as what? I can write it as 1 plus cos 2x dx from 0 to pi by 2. Now integrate it and solve it. It's a very simple question. Answer will be pi by 4. So pi by 4, my dear children, is the answer for this question. I hope you liked it. Are you all clear? Vijay Kumar, that is from King's rule, man. That is basically King's rule, right? You don't have to think about it. If you apply King's rule, that is how you do it. Okay? Very good, Soham. Very good, Ananya. Shravani, I think the results will be out by evening. That's what they have notified. So by 10 p.m. you will get it. And Rishabh, this is my email ID. And I'm more active in Instagram, man. So I would prefer you to message me on Instagram if you want to reach out to me. Okay, so this is my Insta ID. I have given it in every slide. You guys can message me over there and I will help you with whatever doubts you have. Okay. Everybody clear? So Techaholic, if you practice questions, that's the first thing it will click on your head. Because these category of questions is very obvious that you have to use King's rule. It is very, very obvious. That means you need more practice. Okay, you need more practice. When you solve more questions, you will be able to identify them very quickly. Okay, people, let's move forward to the next one, which is right over here. So this is something which I explained to you right now. And people, this is also a very, very important property. I want everybody to make a note of it. In the meantime, I will drink some water. Okay. I'll have some water. You guys can make a note of it. A very, very important property. Please make a note of it. Yeah, Prashant, I will tell you. Sai Sangeeta will be out by tonight. Okay. Exactly, monkey. You are right, Kirito. So guys, what is an even function? See, whenever you have f of minus x is equal to f of x, it is said to be an even function. Examples of even function are x square, x power 4, cos x are examples. What is odd function? Odd function means f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x. So that is what we call as an odd function. So when you have an odd function, examples are x cube, x sin x. So these are all some of the examples of even and odd function. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Are you all clear? Yes, Jayavira Kumar, of course, it is. Now, how do you write even function in a graph? In a graph, even function will be symmetric about y-axis. X square is like this, so it is symmetric about y-axis. And now, even cos x is like that. Cos x is like this, now. You see, it is symmetric about y-axis. So whenever you have an even function, it is symmetric about y-axis. So if you are integrating from minus a to plus a of an even function, I can integrate from 0 to a and multiply it by 2. Because of the symmetric nature, if I integrate it from minus a to plus a, can I say this whole area is 0 to a into 2? That is what I wrote here. Did you like it now? This is how you understand it. This is how you understand things and solve. Okay? I hope you guys are enjoying it. So, if you got it, then I'll explain the second thing. Everybody cool with it? Fantastic. So now, the next part is odd function. So let us worry about odd function now. So odd function means something like sin x. So let us say from minus pi to pi, I want to integrate sin x. So something like minus a to a. So if you look at it carefully, this area is equal to this area, but because it is definite integration, this is positive area and this is negative because definite integration is algebraic area. So because this is negative, this is positive, these two are equal in magnitude, they will cancel each other out and you will get under. So the speciality of odd function is they are symmetric about the origin. They are symmetric about the origin. So if this is 1, this will be minus 1, like that. Are you getting it? So if this value is 1, this value will be minus 1. It will be exactly symmetric about your origin. So that is what I wanted to show here. Did you all like it? Everybody? Are you all clear with it? Fantastic, people. So guys, please focus on the session. I know results are going to come out today, but please don't get distracted. Why are you spending a lot of time on unnecessary stuff? Okay, please focus on the session, guys, because we have to look at what is in hand. The results are going to come. Why do you just keep saying like small kids? You're all mature, you're all old enough to understand. We are doing something serious. So please focus here and then we'll move forward. Okay? Great. So let us move forward to the next one. Please try to solve it, everybody. Come on. All of you try to solve it. I want you to find the value of this integral, a very simple one. Try to do it, guys. Everybody. I want all of you to participate and preferably get the right answer as well. So Shravani is saying 2. Very good, very good. Okay. Now let's try to solve it. Sairam, are you sure? Because the answer I think is 2, Sairam. So let me teach you how to solve it. So first of all, guys, I'll take 2x as t. So I'll get 2 dx is equal to dt. So what is dx? Dx is equal to dt by 2. Okay. So your I will become what? Integral 2x is t, right? So this will be what? 2 into 0, 0. 2 into pi will become 2 pi. Okay. And that will be from sine of t dt by 2. Is that clear, my dear children? Everybody? So now, how will I solve it? Can I say half 0 to pi, 0 to 2 pi, can I write as 0 to pi? Sine will be positive. So sine t dt. And from pi to 2 pi, it will be negative. So I'll put minus sine t dt. Did you guys like that? Did you guys like that? So calculate it, you will get your answer. You will get it to be half of integral sine t is minus cos t from 0 to pi, and then integral minus sine t will be cos t from pi to 2 pi. So that will be 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So 2 is my answer. I hope you liked it. Everybody clear with it? Yes, if mod was absent, the answer would be 0. Yes, yes, yes. You are right. If mod was not there, the answer would have been 0. You are right, you are right. Very good. So shall we move forward, everybody? Did you guys like it? Fantastic, guys. Let's move forward. Very good, Avatar. Let us go to the next one. But before we go there, many of you are asking me, sir, how do I join the crash course at Vedantu? How do I improve my level? So guys, you have 1 week for your March attempt and you have 1 month for your April attempt. In this time, you can definitely improve your level by 20 to 30 marks. So in case you want to increase your score by 20 to 30, I would highly recommend the crash course because I will also be teaching over here. So in case you all want to be a part of it, then please do check it out because you get live classes, you get doubt solving, you get full test and part test along with tricks and strategy session. All of this for a price of just 7,000 rupees if you use my coupon code. You have the link in the description of this video. In case you want to be a part of it, please check it out. SJCC is my coupon code. Otherwise, it is 10,000. If you use my coupon code, it is 7,000. And guys, 7,000 is for math, physics, chemistry, and you also have test series and doubt solving. All of it until your May attempt, you can access it. All of this for a price of 7,000 is a very, very, very reasonable deal. I would say go for it. And if you have doubts in joining, message me in Instagram. I will help you. I will tell you what to do and how to use this course. Is that clear, my dear children? You can message me over here. This is my Instagram ID. You can message me. I will tell you how to join and how to use this program. Now, many of you are asking, sir, yes, Techaholic, it is Shimon Joseph crash course, okay? So many of you are asking, DJ King is asking, sir, can you plot the graph of this? So guys, sine 2x graph between 0 to pi. So if I changed it now. So the limit changes. Why the limit changes? Because I made the substitution 2x is equal to t. Because of that, the limit changes, Rishikesh. Rishikesh, 2 into 0 will be my lower limit now. 2 into pi will be my upper limit now. So 2x is t, so it will become mod sine t. Now dx will be what? dt by 2. So that is why by 2 you see here. Now sine t graph will be like this. Between 0 to 2 pi, sine t graph will be like this. Is that correct, Korak? This is sine t graph. But what do we want, Korak? We want modulus of sine t. So wherever it becomes negative, I need to make it ulta. So the graph will become like this. So this negative portion will go away. So this is the graph of modulus of sine t from 0 to 2 pi. This portion is 2, this is 2. So that is why the answer is 4. But 4 divided by 2 will be 2. That is how you do it. I hope you liked it. Everybody clear? Fantastic. I hope you guys have got it. Now with that, we will move forward. And guys, like I said, please make use of the crash course. I will be a part of it and maybe you guys can benefit from it by increasing your score by 20-30 marks guaranteed by your April attempt. Okay, so don't take it lightly. If not the crash course, because crash course is 7,000 for 1.5 month period. In case you don't want crash course, you can check out the test series because the test series is 1,700 rupees. Okay. Let us move forward. Yes. People, please forget about the results. Let us move forward. Everybody. Hello, Mariam Fatima. Welcome. All of you try to note it down and let me know if you guys are able to understand what I've written here. I want everybody to first note it down and then I'll explain. So this is a very important property which was asked in your February attempt. Okay, in your February attempt, this was asked. So please listen carefully. Hello, mention some mistakes. Welcome. No problem. Vishwanath, please pull the video back and try to follow it. You will be able to understand. I have given you a lot of explanation slowly. I feel you can pull it back and watch it. Okay, very good. Hi Kashwin, Teja, welcome, welcome. Very good, Mariam Fatima, very happy birthday. Thank you, Parth. Now listen carefully, guys. What do we have over here? So we have a periodic function. So whenever you have a periodic function who has a period t, which has a period t, then if you have integral a to a plus nt f of x dx, then you can write it as n times of 0 to t f of x dx. You can write it as n times of because it is from a to a plus nt. So if I shift the origin to a, it is as good as starting from 0. Since it is 0 to nt, I can take n outside because it will repeat after every t interval. So I can take the n outside. So that is why n comes outside. You will have 0 to t f of x dx. Are you all clear with that? Everybody, are you people able to understand? So shall I move forward? This is a very useful property and I'm going to show you some of the best applications of this. What is the best application of this? Write on your screen which was asked in your February attempt. 2021 JEE Mains question. I want everybody to try it out. I will show you how to do it and then we will proceed. Okay? Come on people, everybody try to solve it and then we will move forward. Thank you, Mariam. I'm so happy you guys are enjoying it. Very good, very good. Abhishek, fantastic. Shravani, brilliant Shravani. You guys are simply awesome. Atik Shaif, very good Atik. That is correct Atik, but try to solve it. Soham, Ave Kujur, Sai Vivek, fantastic. Preksha, very good Preksha. Very good, very good. No worries, Techaholic. I will help you out. Don't worry. Are you all cool with it, guys? Everybody? Hello, crazy. Welcome, man. So now, let us try to solve it. Very good, Mariam. So, people, what is x minus GIF of x? First of all, do you all understand x minus GIF of x is equal to fractional part of x? And guys, fractional part of x is a periodic function whose period is equal to 1. Did you all know that? Fractional part of x is a periodic function whose period is equal to 1. I hope everybody knows that. Now that is the property I'm gonna use. Everybody clear with that? So now if I expand this, what will I get? If I expand this, put n equal to 1 first. If I put 1, I will get what? I will get 0 to 1 e to the power fractional part of x dx. Then I'll have n equal to 2. So it will be 1 to 2 e to the power fractional part of x. And same way you'll have all the way up to 99 to 100. I'll have e to the power fractional part of x dx. So since the period of fractional part of x is 1, can I combine all of them and write it as 100 times integral 0 to 1 e to the power fractional part of x dx? Because this integral is equal to this integral, because fractional part of x has a period of 1. So 0 to 1 if I integrate, that's the same as 1 to 2 integral. Don't you agree? Don't you agree? Isn't it fantastic? Did you all like it? So this till 100th term, all of them are equal. So I can write it as 100 times the first term alone. Why did I write as the first term alone? Because between 0 to 1, fractional part of x is equal to x, my dear. So fractional part of x is nothing but x if it is between 0 to 1. Because between 0 to 1, everything is a fraction. So that is going to be what? 100 into e to the power x integral is nothing but e to the power x from 0 to 1. So that will be e to the power 1 minus e to the power 0. It will be 100 times e to the power 1 minus 1. So that is nothing but option A, and you guys are fantastic. Okay. Yes, Praveen, I will try to do that, man. That's a nice suggestion. Very good, Sai Vivek. Very good, Techaholic. You guys are absolutely brilliant. Very good, Mariam. I'm so happy you are enjoying it. Sashiram, super Sashiram. So let us move forward. Let's move quickly and look at what else do we have in store. This is another interesting question. Very, very good question. Please try to solve it. Everybody. So this involves multiple concepts. I want everybody to give it a try. Please try it out, my dear children. Everybody. Yes, Sai Vivek. I will definitely try to do all the important topics and we will conduct some great sessions of mock test. Please attend it. Make the best use of it. Put in your hard work and I'm sure you will be rewarded. Okay? So that is how it works. Okay? You guys are fabulous, man. Amazing. So guys, shall I solve this question? No problem, Sai Ram. Definitely watch it later. Very good, Sai Vivek. Fantastic, Mariam. Okay. Techaholic, it will be tomorrow. So every day in this channel, you will have classes. I will take at 4 o'clock. Wasim sir will take at 5:30. Shreyas sir will take at 7. Again, I will take at 9. And again, Shreyas sir will take at 10:30 or 11. So you have 5 wonderful classes in one single day. So you can utilize your evenings to attend our classes and mornings for self-study. So that is how you should plan it, okay? Now, let's try to solve this question. I want to help everybody out, so listen carefully. So first of all, I will write this as GIF of, can I write this as x minus 1 whole square minus 3. Can I write it like that, my dear children? Everybody, do you agree with me on that? Can I write it like this? Please let me know, everybody. So basically what I did was, I added 1, I subtracted 1, and I completed this square. Very good, Atif. Very good, Soham. Very good, Shashank. You guys are absolutely awesome. Now, whenever you have greatest integer function, if you have x plus some integer, you can write it as GIF of x plus integer, you can bring it outside. Whenever you have an integer, you can bring it outside the GIF. So I will write it as 1 to 3, I can write it as GIF of x minus 1 whole square dx minus of 3 integral 1 to 3 dx. Are you guys cool with it? Did you guys like this step? Because it makes my job a bit easier. It makes my job a bit easier. Everybody cool with it? Fantastic, na? This is how you do it step by step. This is how you do it step by step. Okay. Now, 3 integral from 1 to 3 is what? It is going to be 3x, which will be 6. So this will be minus 6. Now this is a very good integral. How do I solve it? I am going to again do it step by step. Everybody please follow me. This one is very easy. We have got it. The answer is 6. Now let's complete this. For completing this, what I'll do is, I'll take x minus 1 as t. So I will get dx is equal to dt. So this integral will become what? X minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. So that will be t, right? So GIF of t square dt minus of this will be 6. Did you all understand this? So this is what I am supposed to solve now to get the answer. How many of you got it till here? Because even now we are not done. With this we have one more step, after which we will complete it. We will nail this question. Everybody clear with it? Yes, Sai Vivek, I will explain it. I will solve it completely, but I want you guys to definitely give me an yes. Because you guys should understand. That is why we are doing it so detailedly, so clearly, so that everybody follows me. Very good, Chirantan Biswas. Fantastic, guys. You're all awesome. Very good, Atif. Atif, you are fantastic, man. Very good. Now, since you guys have understood it, let me remove all of this. Now, everybody was asking, sir, how do we solve the first part, sir? Now, guys, GIF will always be same between 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and so on. So, when your t square, let me take a different color. When your t square is between 0 to 1, GIF of t square is 0. So that means between 0 to 1, my t square will be 0 to 1. So GIF will be 0. Now, when your t square is between 1 to 2, then your GIF of t square will be 1. So that is between 1 to, t lies between 1 to root 2. Your GIF of t square will be 1. Next will be what? GIF of t square lying between 2 to 3. That time your GIF of t square will be 2. So this is from root 2 to root 3. Next, what will you have? You will have root 3 to 2. You will have 3 dt. That's it. Minus 6 over. This is your answer. Did you like it? Fantastic, na? This is the way you have to do it. Are you all clear with it? Very good, Shashank. Very good, Muskan. Very good, Rajashekar, Sendil. You guys are awesome. You guys have absolutely understood it. So, Kirito, that is called as the substitution method. Hello, Jalinder Jadhav. Welcome, man. Very good, Preksha. Fantastic, Soham. I'm so happy everybody has understood it. Now open it and you will get the answer. That is the way you do it. Okay? Fantastic, people. So Kirito was asking, Kirito, what I did was, you had integral 1 to 3 GIF of x minus 1 square dx, na? So I did substitution, Kirito. That is a method. So x minus 1 I took as t. So the limit will also change, Kirito. X is this. So x minus 1 will be 0. X is 3. So x minus 1 will be 2. X minus 1 I took as t. So I will take it as GIF of t square. Now dx, differentiate this. Dx will be equal to dt. So dx will be equal to dt. That's what I did. Okay? That's how I converted it. And after that also solving this, since it is t square inside the GIF, we need to break it and solve. Wherever GIF is constant, I need to break it like that and then I have to do it. Okay? Movie wonders, it will be done by tonight. Don't worry too much about it. It will be done when it is done. Okay? So we can't question the government. They'll release it whenever they feel like. Just wait for it. Don't get tensed. All of you cool with it? So shall I move forward? I am so happy that you guys are all enjoying these sessions. Now this is the next question which I have for you. Everybody please try to solve it. Come on guys. All of you try to do it. Again a JEE Main February question. A JEE Main February question. Something which all of you can try it out. Very, very interesting question. I will solve it for you right from scratch. But you guys do it first. Maybe you will be able to solve it. Okay, people, are you all done? Sai Vivek says C for Chennai. Great. Shashank is also confident it is option C. Okay, so let's try to do it. What do I do first here? First substitution. Very good, Abhishek. Great job. Great job. First thing is substitute x cube as t. So I will get 3x square dx as dt. So I have x square dx. So x square dx is nothing but dt by 3, my dear children. Everybody got it? Now x cube is t. So minus 1 cube is minus 1. 1 cube is 1. And x square dx is nothing but dt by 3. So I'll get dt by 3. I'll have e to the power GIF of x cube. So it'll be e to the power GIF of x cube is nothing but t. Is that clear, everybody? Is that clear, everybody? Please let me know. Done? So it became such a simple integral. Are you fine with it, my dear children? All of you? So now I can write it as 1 by 3 times of between minus 1 to 0. This will be e to the power minus 1 dt. Because if I split this from minus 1 to 0, GIF of t will be minus 1. Now from 0 to 1, GIF of t will be 0. That's it. Solve it, get the answer, you are done. So all the questions were based on splitting your limits, breaking your integral. How do you break your integral in such a way that you arrive at the right answer? Very good, Dhyanesh. Very good, Sendil. We will check it. We will check it. Very good. You guys are fantastic, man. That is the way you solve it. I hope you guys are all able to follow. Yes, Lakshmi Shravya, definitely I will talk to you guys about it. So how do you solve it? Finish it off, guys. So it is e to the power minus 1 dt. So it will be e to the power minus 1 by 3 into 1. And then you'll have plus 1 by 3 into, you'll have e to the power 1. It will be 1 only. So the answer is 1 by 3e plus 1 by 3. So if you take LCM, you'll have e plus 1 by 3e. So the answer is option C, guys. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, I hope you liked it. Shall I move forward? Adhavan, happy, and guys, all those who are confused, please don't worry about results. Guys, I don't know. I'm not magician. I don't know the future. Okay, so don't ask when the results will come. It will come when it comes. It will come by tonight. Don't worry about it now. It's okay. This is the 100th time I'm telling this in this class. Okay, somebody asked Leibniz rule. Sir, please teach me what is Leibniz rule, sir. Many questions are coming in my coaching. They didn't teach me at all. How can I do it? I will help you. Okay, so please listen now. Hello, Namita. Welcome. I'm doing great, Namita. Great to see you here. Okay, so please let's solve it. Listen carefully. Okay. Fantastic. Sai Vivek, that is brilliant, man. I'm so happy you're enjoying it. Now, listen carefully because this is important. Okay, this is a very important thing. So, when do you use Newton-Leibniz formula? Very fancy name, right? Very fancy name. So, it is actually a very nice story. I'll tell you this. So, Newton and Leibniz, they were in the same time period. We call it in English contemporary. Okay, contemporary means they were in the same time period. Like you and me, we both are living in the same time period, right? I'm also in 21st century, you are also in 21st century. So we both are contemporary. Like that, Newton and Leibniz were contemporaries and both of them were working on calculus. Okay, so actually it was Leibniz who figured out calculus at first. And Newton also was working on it. But because Newton was very famous in the Royal Society of England, so he got the credit for it. So he got the credit for inventing or discovering calculus, but Leibniz took a back seat. So that is the historical background. So Leibniz also worked very hard, but we don't give him enough credit. So that is why we need to learn this Newton-Leibniz formula. Here also Newton's name came in. So it is called as the Newton-Leibniz formula. Let's try to learn it, okay? Exactly, justice for Leibniz. So people, everybody listen carefully. Hello Mariam, welcome. Hello Samita, welcome, welcome, welcome guys. Please listen, don't spam. I want all of you to focus here. So this Newton-Leibniz formula is used when you are differentiating an integral. When you are differentiating an integral, okay? And when you have an integral with varying limits. So let us say I have d by dx of integral, I have varying limits u of x to v of x, f of t dt. So if this is my question, how do I differentiate it? That is the question. Okay? Everybody clear? Exactly, Kirito. So that is why I didn't go for constant limit. I went for variable limits. Okay? Now what we do is, listen very carefully. When you differentiate, you will put f of upper limit, the inside function with the upper limit, into derivative of upper limit. Derivative of upper limit minus this function f of lower limit into derivative of lower limit. This is your Newton-Leibniz formula. I hope you liked it. Just make a note of it. This is the way we do it. Are you all clear? As simple as that. This is how you apply your Newton-Leibniz formula. Everybody clear with it? Jessica, this is for your JEE Mains preparation, 12th standard students. Hello Prakar, welcome Prakar. Everybody liked it? So I will show you how to apply this in a question. And guys, this is asked in JEE Mains. I'm not simply giving you this. So previously only JEE Advanced we used to get questions from this, but now in JEE Mains also you get questions from this. Okay? Yes, let's go for questions now. Everybody, please try it out. All of you. This is a fantastic question. I want everybody to try it out. Come on, guys. This was asked in what? February attempt. JEE Main 2021. So please do it, everybody. Hello, Sendil Nathan. Welcome, man. Chirantan Biswas, you can join the crash course. It is 7,000 rupees. I will attach the link in the description, or you can message me in Instagram. I will help you out. Okay? Very good. Sai Vivek has answered. So many people have answered already. You guys are fantastic, man. You guys are next level. Very good, guys. Come on, keep going. Sai Vivek, one-step solution. Exactly, because of your Leibniz rule. Very good, Senthil. Very good. You are awesome. Chandan Kumar, it will be coming today. Don't worry. Gauri Mulik is saying B. So guys, first of all, if I apply 0, I will get 0 to 0. Whenever you integrate from 0 to 0, it is 0 divided by 0 cube, which is 0. So I get 0 by 0, which is an indeterminate form. Are you all clear? Are you all clear? So 0 by 0, my dear children, is called as an indeterminate form. So when you have an indeterminate form, we will use L'Hopital. So what is L'Hopital or L'Hospital? It is nothing but differentiate your numerator and differentiate your denominator. So it's basically d by dx of integral 0 to x square sine root t dt divided by derivative of x cube is 3x square. Again same limit. So now how do you differentiate your numerator? By using Newton-Leibniz formula. What is that? Your inner function with the upper limit. So sine of root of x square, which is x, into derivative of x square, which is 2x, minus sine of root of 0. So that will be sine 0 into derivative of 0, which is also 0, divided by 3x square. So what will that be? This is under. So it will be sine x into 2 by 3x. Because 1x and 1x will get cancelled. And sine x by x, my dear children, we know it is equal to 1. Because x tends to 0, na? Sine x by x will be 1. So the answer is 2 by 3, which will be option B. Did you like it? How we applied Newton-Leibniz formula along with L'Hopital rule. Hello Jayashri, hello Aryan. Fantastic, guys. Very good. Lohit Raj has enjoyed it. You guys are fabulous. So with that, I think we are moving on to the next important topic, which is nothing but summation of a series using definite integral. Okay, this is the last topic. So please pay attention, guys. This is something which many of you have a problem in. Okay, so I will tell you a method by which you will never make mistake. You will never ever make mistake. Okay. So I want everybody to listen carefully and make a note of this so that when you solve it on your own, you will never ever commit a mistake in this particular concept. What is this concept? This concept is called as using definite integral as a limit of sum. Okay. So whenever you have a limit of a sum, I can convert it to a definite integral. How do we do it? I will teach you how to do it. Listen carefully. Hello Suprema, welcome. Sarah, please let me know if you have any doubt, but do not spam the chat because many people will get confused. Okay. So let's get started. I'll teach you what to do here. Whenever you have limit of a sum, right? Always express the summation in this format. That is something which you need to do. Always express the summation as 1 by n and some function of r by n. That you need to do. I will teach you how to do it. Okay, but you have to bring it in this format. After you bring it in this format, r by n will become x and 1 by n will become dx. And your sigma will become integral. Your sigma will now become integral. And what is lower limit? What is upper limit? The lower limit is equal to r lower by n. Upper limit is r upper by n. That's it. This, if you know, you can solve any question on limit of a sum. Just copy this down. I will show you a question and I guarantee you will solve it on your own. You don't need my help. Okay? So shall we try it out, people? Everybody, first note it down. Note it down and then we will move forward. Come on, people. Everybody, I want all of you to make a small note of it and then we will go ahead. Pratham, I would say accuracy is very important. You can compromise on speed for a while until you develop accuracy. Hello, Tanu Chowdhury, welcome. Very nice to see you. So Bhargav, basics of integration you can study because you will use it in your kinematics in physics, right? So there you will need it. Hello, Sarah. Hi, Jayashri. Guys, please do not spam the chat for a long time. It will disturb the others, okay? Hi, Jayant. Welcome, man. Very good, Prakar. So let's move forward to the question which I have for you. Everybody try it out. Please solve it, guys. Okay? Thank you, Tejas. That is so sweet of you, man. People, please do it. This is a limit of a sum which you have to solve by converting it to a definite integral. Okay? By converting it to a definite integral. Everybody do it and then I'll help you. Very good, Pratham. Pratham Deshmukh seems to have solved it already. Let's do it now. Everybody will learn it after I am done with it. Okay? All of you, fantastic job, guys. You guys are killing it. Are you all done, people? Everybody? Okay, yes. Yes, Bablu, I will not do that. Don't worry. Gauri says 1 by 2. Okay, let's solve it, guys. Please listen carefully. So can I write this first term as n by n square? So can I write this summation as n divided by n plus r the whole square, r starting from 0 all the way up to n minus 1, limit n tending to 0, n tending to infinity, I'm sorry. Everybody cool with this? Did you all like it till here? Did you all like it till here? Shall I move forward? Everybody, please let me know in the chat. All of you got it? Fantastic. So Parth, Ritish, Jayashri, let me explain it. What I've done is n is common everywhere. So just write n. Now denominator, you see it is n plus 0 square, n plus 1 square, n plus 2 square. This is n plus n minus 1. Na? So n is constant plus something is getting added every time. So that I am taking as r. R starts from 0, goes up to n minus 1. That is what I have done. Now from the denominator, take n outside. So if I take n outside, it will come as n square and you will get 1 plus r by n the whole square. So now n and n will get cancelled. So you will be left out with this term over here. Now convert it. Sigma will become integral. R by n will become x. 1 by n will become dx. What is lower limit? R lower by n, which is 0. What is upper limit? R upper by n, which will be 1. So this is my answer, my dear students, which will be 1 plus x to the power minus 1 by minus 1 from 0 to 1. So that will be equal to what? Any idea? That will be 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. So answer is option A, 1 by 2, my dear children. Did you all like it? Everybody? Ravi Gupta, you can practice NCRT, you can practice from previous year's questions. More practice, the more better you come. The more better you practice, the better you become with time. R upper is n minus 1. For upper limit, that's what I told, na? Correct. Upper limit is n minus 1 by n. And n tends to infinity, right? So n minus 1 by n is 1 approximately. So you write it as 1. Did you understand it? R upper is this one. Here only R is running, right? R runs from 0 to n minus 1. So n minus 1 divided by n. That is your upper limit. Did you get it? Are you able to solve it now? Okay. How is it 1? Because n minus 1 by n is approximately 1 when n tends to infinity. N tends to infinity, na? So obviously it will be tending to 1. That's what I have written. Okay, so people, with that, we will go to the last topic, which is your Wallis integral formula. Guys, this is basically a simple formula. I want you all to note it down and then we will move ahead. Okay, please note down the formula. There's nothing to teach over here. Just take a screenshot and maybe utilize it whenever you have time. Okay, whenever you encounter a question like this, you can use this particular formula. But please remember again that this method is applicable only for 0 to pi by 2. Wallis formula is used only for 0 to pi by 2, sine to the power something x, cos to the power something x. Got it? So only under these circumstances you can use it. And when both m and n are not even, you will have something like this. If both m and n are even, then you'll have something like this. I will show you how to apply it. If you guys have taken a screenshot, let me move forward to the question. We will all apply it together and we will learn it. Okay? So shall we move forward, my dear children, everybody? Yes? Fantastic job, guys. So please try to solve it. Very simple application of Wallis formula. So see here, 0 to pi by 2. So Wallis formula can be applied. M and n both are even. So I have to apply the second set of formula. Use that, get the answer, you're done. So it will be basically what? 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 3. Then you'll have what? 6 minus 1, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 5. Divided by 10 in 4 plus 6 is what? 4 plus 6 is 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. And then into pi by 2. Into pi or pi by 2. You guys can check it out. So that's it. Just solve it and then finish it off. No, it is not a 2021 question. It is not a 2021 question. How to remember this? Solve plenty of questions. You will be able to follow it. I think it's pi by 2 at the end. Okay, is that clear, people? Did you all like it, everybody? Are you all clear with it? So can you tell me what is the answer? Please finish it off, no? Please finish it off, guys, everybody. Okay, that's about it. So the answer comes out to be what? Is it option A, B, C or D? Sendil is saying B. So let's check it. Sendil, you are absolutely right, man. Very, very good job. So exactly what I wrote. So this is a very nice formula, very easy to use, and it gives you marks immediately. So people, with that, we will conclude. I hope you enjoyed it. How many of you liked the session? Can you all give me a thumbs up? Light up the chat with a fire symbol. I want to see some energy in the chat. Come on, guys. Everybody. I want to know how many people enjoyed the class and learned something useful. So guys, in case you want to improve your level, I know you're all working very hard. So people, your JEE Mains is round the corner. You have April attempt, you have May attempt. If you want to score well, if you want to improve your score by 30 to 40 marks, check out the crash course which is offered by Vedantu. Because I will also be teaching in that. I will cover certain important topics along with other teachers at Vedantu. We have 10 full test and part test where you will get your all India ranking, you will get your analysis report where you lost marks, where you gained marks, where how much time you are spending, all that result will be given to you. In case you want to be a part of it, please click on the link in the description below and use my coupon code SJCC to join the crash course. It is basically available for 7,000 rupees. So as you can see here, SJCC is my coupon code and the price of the course is 7,000 for people who use this. In case you want to get in touch with me, you can message me on Instagram. I will help you out. Okay? Thank you, Lohit. That is so sweet of you guys, man. For those who want only test series, you can take this particular link. So whatever you feel like, you can join. And this is my Instagram ID. You can message me there if you want to join the course. Yes, Pawan. Fantastic, Pawan. Yes, guys, the session is over. I hope you liked it. Those who did well in your JEE Mains, try to join the Eklavya batch, because Eklavya batch will give you access to the best fantastic teachers of Vedantu, trained by your mentor, super mentor Anand Sir, and he has a fantastic team led by Vikas Sir. So in case you want to be a part of this fabulous team for free of cost, then do check out the Eklavya batch program, which is going to start from March 8th, which is tomorrow. Please fill in your details. But guys, there is eligibility for this. You need to be above 96 percentile. Thank you, Korak. Thank you, guys. I'm so happy you all had fun with me. I had a great time. It was always a fabulous 2 hours whenever I come here to teach a marathon session. Okay. Thank you, Hitik Kumar. Mehul, I'm more active in Instagram. Please message me there. I would prefer that. So this is Telegram for the group JEE Enthuse. You can come here to be notified of any class. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, guys, because all the hard work that we are doing is for you guys. And I'm sure you realize that. So do spread the word. Do subscribe to the channel, because you are going to be amazed by the quality of content we will bring in the upcoming days. Okay? So spread the word, like the video, and stay tuned for some more excitement. Okay? So take care, guys. All the very best. Do well in your exams. And I know results are coming out today. Don't panic. If it goes bad, don't take too much tension. I'm sure your parents love you. We love you. And everybody will understand. And moreover, you have 3 more chances. So don't let anything bog you down. Don't let anything demotivate you. Got it? Because you still have 3 more attempts. The race is not yet over. And I always say, have your own targets. Don't be demotivated when someone says, sir, I got 200, I got 300, I got 500. You have your target. Sir, my target was 100. I crossed it. I'm happy. So be very practical. That is something which you need to develop from a very young age. Okay, guys? So don't be very disheartened because your next attempt is coming round the corner. I don't want you to be bogged down by this. Okay? So all the very best, guys. Take care and we will meet in the next one. Till then, keep working hard and we will meet again soon. Bye-bye. See you guys.